So I don't actually think I've filmed a video like this in a while, but today I'm going to do a filling up video and semi-cash collection video. I don't actually know when I last collected the cash in these machines, but yeah, I'm going to collect a little bit of cash today. I think we're going to do between 5 and 6 locations. All depends on how I'm feeling, so I do have a really bad headache, so yeah, just see how motivated I feel throughout the day. I don't have any Coke cans, and I do know that Hancock's have a really good deal day on, so I might go down, say hi to everyone. The manager approached me the other day, we had a really good chat. He said he's seen my TikToks, so I do need to get in touch with him. He gave me his email. So yeah, I'm just rambling. I really don't feel too good today. Had to be on a day where I'm filling up. I've just had like 6 days off, so typical, really typical. But I'm just gonna get straight into filling these boxes. Yeah, not really much else to say, to be honest. Thank you to all my new students that have joined the course. We had like a really high surplus of people joining over bank holiday weekend, which was really, really good. The community is growing and the networking group is just incredible at the minute. So if you want to join, DM me on Instagram or you can email me. I'll leave the email in the bio. I'll leave the email in the description, and I'll also leave the course in the description, but I would rather you message me first so we can talk about it. But yeah, I'm excited if you want to join. It's a really good community. Let's go. So I work extremely slow when I have a headache. That took a lot longer than I anticipated. What are we on? It's 10 to 11. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Drive with Meg. Shall I stick you there for a little bit so you can see how well I drive? That will be a fun POV. Oh, where are we on? Let's do a drive with Meg. Put some music on. You won't be able to listen to this though, so I'm going to turn my microphone off. Oh my god, I don't know what's wrong with me today, but I've just missed out 3 locations. Like, the order that I normally go into, I went straight to the 4th one. And then the 4th one has a snack machine and a can machine. No, not a can machine, a drinks machine. And I only bought the stuff for the drinks machine. What the hell is this? Is what happens when I have a headache. So luckily the combi machine was just not that empty anyway, so it was mainly the drinks that were empty in the combi machine, but there's a full drinks machine next to it, so I don't even know. So I'm gonna have to work backwards from here, and then I've got 2 at the end that I normally do, so I'll have to leave them till last like I normally do anyway. So I don't know what the fuck is going on with me today. But yeah, collected that cash, and I forgot my keys, so I had to go back out to the van and get my keys. And then I forgot my change bag, so I had to put the cash in the plastic box. Jesus. I'm really not having a good day. Right, I'm driving now, so I've got to go. Bye. So I've just finished in that one. I've just remembered that I forgot the coffee stuff for the main place I was going to today. So honestly, I'm having the worst possible work day ever. I'm really annoyed. I've got the worst headache. So I'm just gonna leave that one out. I've only got 2 places left if I leave that one out. And then I'm just gonna go home and rest up and recharge. And then just do that one tomorrow. Today's been so bad. I've not had a day like this in so long. It's not been bad. I've just forgotten a few things. I knew as soon as I woke up I just wasn't in the right headspace to work today, but it doesn't matter what headspace I'm in, the business ain't gonna run itself. So yeah, I'm gonna head to these 2 places. They're both factories, so, well, one's a warehouse and one's a factory. I don't know, are they both warehouses? Factory, warehouse, they don't make things, they kind of just ship things, I'm guessing. Yeah, so we're gonna head there now. They're both kind of light jobs, so it's kind of nice. And then they're quite close to home as well. I'm gonna pick up Kovu. I'm gonna get my pajamas on and get in bed. I'm so tired. Didn't feel much in there. It wasn't anything too exciting. But so I had to come back out for the Coke, like a crate of Coke, and I closed the glass, but I left the machine open. And the guy was like, as I was walking out, the guy went, excuse me, you left it open. No, I know, I'm coming back. I was like, I know I look incompetent, but I'm not incompetent. Right, so I'm heading to the last location now. It's about 20, probably not even that far away, about 15 minutes away. And then I am going to get the pooch, and then I will continue this video tomorrow as well, so it's not too short. Also, I will tell you how much cash I've collected at the end of the video, so you better stay tuned, guys. You better stay tuned. Okay, instead of going to the last location, I have a surprise for you. It's a Kovu. I'm gonna pick up tomorrow where we left off, because I need to go and lie down. So I'll see you tomorrow. Right, guys, it's the next day. I feel a little bit better today. I still have a little bit of a headache, but we're gonna, get through it. I'm also gonna be filming on my phone today because I won't mind, the camera's right there, but I just can't be bothered filming on the camera today. So we're gonna go back to the 2022 Megan filming on iPhone. Quality. It's Friday. I don't normally work on a Friday vending. I'm not gonna lie to you, homies, really can't be bothered today. And I would just power it off normally because I can, because I own the business. But some of the vending machines are quite freaking low, and I have contracts to fulfill. Right, shall we go? Do you want to go to school? Okay. We call this daycare school. Because he goes and plays with his friends, don't you? Go on then, let's go, my favourite guy. Did I leave a bag of money in the car overnight? Surely not. I'm not that thick. I did just walk into the sofa, so it can be an option. I think I actually did. Surely not. I remember bringing it out. It's not like I have a big room either. Something in the front door. Honestly, super confused. I swear I brought it in. I never would normally leave it in the car, so if you're watching this, don't rob me. My bad. That's the first time I've done that. Wow. First time for everything, and last. You learn from your mistakes, guys. Don't ever do that. Wow. Surprised myself there. Well, I indeed left it in the car. What a tit. 3 locations with 5 machines. And I'm going to collect the cash. So yeah. I should be super quick in and out of the unit. I've got hair. I can see it. Yeah, I've only got 5 machines to do. And then I should be really quick in and out of the unit because I already packed 2 of the sites yesterday. But obviously I wasn't well yesterday, so I came home. Just need to fill one of the machines. No, 2 of the machines up, and then 1 coffee machine to do. So yeah, it should be super fast today. I reckon I should be done for about, what time are we on? About 9. I reckon I should be done about 12, 1ish, and I've got a meeting at 3 with a web developer, so I need to be back for then. So yeah, let's go. Early Friday finish, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. That last clip, I dropped the bucket because it was a little bit heavy. So the second to last location, not the one with the coffee machine, the one before that. I didn't actually collect the cash because as I was about to collect it, some guy came up to me and was like, "Can I quickly use the vending machine?" And I was like, yeah, of course. So I closed it up for him, and I completely forgot to take the machine out, take the cash out after he used it. Plus, I just wanted the day to be over with. It was Friday. So here's the bag. I'm pretty sure my AirPods are in here. I can hear them. Yeah, there they are. These little geeks. So here's the bag of coins. I'm going to count them now. I've been saving it. And I'm going to let you know in a minute how much there is here. Do you know what? That actually doesn't look like there's loads here. This is my hand. I only have tiny hands. So there actually doesn't look like there's loads here. To some, this is a lot. To me, this isn't loads. I'm going to estimate maybe like 400, maybe 500, maybe 550. Let's see how good I am at estimating. I'm going to say 477 pounds 50. It's going to have to be a whole number. 477 pounds 70. and I promise you now, I haven't already counted it, and I probably just embarrassed myself. It's probably going to be way off. Okay, so it turns out my estimation skills are on point. I think it was like 6:30, and then like maybe like 20 something in change that I can't put in bags. So maybe like 650 as an estimate. So yeah, that's not too bad. In cash from maybe like a week, maybe two, maybe a week and a bit. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll pop it on screen. Give me time to think how long that could be. But if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comments, and subscribe if you are new. All the links that I said throughout this video will be in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of one of my old style videos that I've not done in a while, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace.